Want to see what the best Shopify product pages actually look like and why they convert like crazy? In this video, I'll break down 5 real Shopify stores doing it right and show you exactly what makes their product pages convert so well. Hello, I'm Erikas from Kaching Appz. We help over 40,000 Shopify merchants to grow their sales using apps that increase AOV and improve conversions. In today's video, we're reviewing 5 high-converting product pages that are absolutely killing it. And these aren't just pretty designs. They're built with conversion-boosting tools that you can start using right now as well. Let's dive in. Let's start with PirateGoldPoker. This page is a great example of how a strong offer combined with conversion-boosting tactics makes all the difference. First, we see a bundle deal above the fold. Bundles not only make the offer more valuable, they instantly increase AOV. This one is set up using Kaching bundles, super simple to implement and insanely effective. Then you'll notice a money-back guarantee badge, which builds trust and clean product visuals that enhance perceived quality. There's also a sticky add to cart. This keeps the call to action visible no matter how far down the user scrolls, removing friction and increasing click-through. Together, this layout is clear, direct, and optimized for action. Exactly what we love to see. And here's how it looks on mobile, which, let's be honest, is where most traffic comes from. The bundle offer stays front and center with clear pricing tiers that make it easy for users to understand the value of buying more. The rest of the layout is sharp and frictionless. Scrollable visuals, trust badges, and product highlights are all placed where they matter most. It's a smooth, thumb-friendly experience that guides users toward the purchase without distractions. Exactly what you want in a high-converting mobile page. Now let's take a look at CocoBeauty. And we're starting strong with a clean header and high-impact product image that immediately communicates quality. Right under the title, you'll notice bulk discount options, and interestingly, this product page defaults to the free pack bundle that immediately nudges buyers toward higher value purchases. Scrolling down, we get a TikTok-style video section that acts as instant social proof. These videos feel native, authentic, and do a great job reinforcing the product's effectiveness. Further down, there are before and after photos that give a shopper a clear visual of what to expect. It's a smart way to reduce doubt and build desire at the same time. Overall, this page does a great job combining visual storytelling with conversion-focused structure. On mobile, CocoBeauty nails the basics, and that's what makes it convert. All key elements like the visuals, bundle selector, trust badges, and descriptions are fully optimized for small screens. The whole layout flows naturally and supports the same conversion-focused experience as on the desktop. Next up is NaraHealth, a beautifully branded powdered meal replacement that takes a slightly different approach. Right from the top, we're greeted with a clean layout, a calm aesthetic, and a focus on lifestyle imagery. Each image doesn't just show the product, it communicates use cases, benefits, and emotional positioning. This builds trust and helps product feel more premium. And here's something clever: as you scroll, you'll see a sticky choose bundle bar that stays pinned to the bottom of the screen. It makes it effortless to jump back into your preferred bundle with a single tap, no matter where you are on the page. As you go further down, the trust layer gets deeper. There's scientific proof, nutritional info, and clearly presented benefits. It's a textbook example of how visuals, UX, and structure work together to drive conversions. On mobile, Nara keeps things clean and focused. Everything loads fast, the visuals are sharp, and sections like bundles, info blocks, and reviews are easy to tap through. You can tell the whole flow is built with mobile shoppers in mind. No distractions, just smooth navigation and clear calls to action. Now let's review ShineSister, and this one nails emotional branding. Just below the product title, the customer instantly sees a clean set of benefit icons. They make it crystal clear what the product solves, how it performs, and why it's reliable. Just below, we see a bundle-style quantity selector, letting users choose between pairs, each with a progressively better deal. Larger bundles are highlighted with tags, like most popular or best offer, nudging the shopper toward the smarter choice. Then we hit the product benefit section, with direct messaging about leak-proof layers, odor control, and all the things that matter to the customer. And towards the bottom, a massive review wall, hundreds of testimonials with real customer photos. This kind of social proof builds instant trust and reinforces the decision to buy. Everything on this page is designed to reduce hesitation and guide the buyer straight to checkout. What stands out on mobile is how quickly you understand the offer. Everything's framed to drive action. The quantity selector feels native, while each section flows naturally into the next. From icons to layout, it's built for decision making, not distraction. Finally, let's break down TheLittleMarvin, a great example of turning a single product into a premium trust-loaded experience. Right away, you'll notice the free gift corner image. Subtle, but instantly adds perceived value and a feeling of exclusivity. The pricing is structured using a tiered system, encouraging higher quantity orders with built-in savings, without overcomplicating the offer. But look closer, they include a star rating module with verified reviews right under the headline. Scroll further and you'll notice the use of sticky CTAs and payment trust badges, both proven to reduce hesitation. The page also uses educational content sections, like how it works and why it matters, which not only inform, but also keep the user engaged longer. And just like the best pages in this list, everything flows without distraction. Every scroll builds momentum. It's clean, persuasive, and designed to convert. On mobile, TheLittleMarvin feels clean, polished, and effortless to browse. All the essentials are right where they should be. A clear product image, easy-to-use bundle selector, and quick trust signals like reviews and badges. The sticky call-to-action bar and collapsible info blocks keep it all fluid without slowing down the experience. So what did all 5 of these product pages have in common? They weren't just beautifully designed, they were built with intention. Every scroll led somewhere, every element had a job. From bundles and reviews to sticky call-to-actions and trust signals, each piece worked together to remove doubt, build confidence, and drive conversions. If you found value in this breakdown, drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more deep dives coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. See you on the next one.